The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Percy to near Valley Forge to near Pleasant Hill, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Norristown, Chester, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Yedden, Westtown, Percy, Doylestown, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Sauterton, Focus, and Ambler. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 319 and 348. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 36. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 343. Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.